come take a look at my nipple. Dr. Punjabi, come take a look at my... You know, what a job, you know. And I tell you, patients come to me, they bare their souls, they bare their bodies, and at the end of it, they tell me thank you, and what's best is they pay me for it. So anyway, as you know, this is to salute our patients who have had breast cancer and who are our heroes. And they're not only survivors, and they are actually conquerors of breast cancer. And I'm very grateful for all the support from our sponsors. And all of you are great inspiration to me in my professional and personal life. It's because of you that I exist, and I thank you for that. So we have a great show for you. Our ladies will do the catwalk twice. That will be followed by some entertainment, and then our food will be being served, and I have a little video that I think is very, very inspirational that I want to play. So sit back and enjoy, and thank you very much for coming, and thank you to all our sponsors. Thank you very much.